Finding a book can be overwhelming, so follow these 5 easy steps. Use our library search machines near the service desk to search for the item, author, or title you need. Look for the shelf mark in Library Search. The first letters indicate the area and shelf location. Collections are arranged alphabetically by shelf mark from the top floor down. Check the range guides on the shelving stacks in the correct area. Shelf marks run sequentially along the shelves. Look for additional letters or numbers to narrow down your search. Once you find your book, head to the Borrow Book machine in the lobby. Scan your library card or Sussex app and place the book on the touchpad. You're good to go. Books renew automatically, but watch for return emails. With these easy steps, you'll be borrowing like a pro in no time.